I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. We were studying the topic statistics. So let us continue with the same topic in this session as well and learn some interesting stuff. I hope you'll have fun learning. So friends, we saw some problems in the previous session based on finding the mean. In this session, we'll continue the same. A survey was conducted by a group of students as part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. We have to find the mean number of plants per house. We also have to tell which method we used for finding the mean and why did we use it. Now we know that mean is equal to x bar, which is equal to sigma of fi xi divided by sigma of fi, which is equal to 162 by 20, that is equal to 8.1. Now we use this method, that is the direct method, because numerical values of fi and xi are small in this case. Now the second problem says that consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory as given in the table, and also find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. So here the value of midpoint xi is very large, so we'll apply the assumed mean method, taking a is equal to 150 and class interval is h is equal to 20. So ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. So here it will be equal to xi minus 150 divided by 120. So mean x bar will be equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi, which is equal to 150 plus 20 into minus 12 by 50, that is equal to 150 minus 4.8, that is equal to 145.20. Thus mean daily wage is equal to rupees 145.20. Now the next problem says that the following distribution as shown in the table shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. We have to find the missing frequency f from the table. Now here the value of midpoint xi is equal to 18. So mean will be equal to x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, which is equal to 752 plus 20f divided by 44 plus f. So this will be equated to 18 since वह हमारा midpoint था, that is xi. So 18 equal to 752 plus 20f divided by 44 plus f. So 18 into 44 plus f will be equal to 752 plus 20f. हमने 44 plus f को cross multiply कर दिया. So now 792 plus 18f will be equal to 752 plus 20f. हमने 18 को 44 plus f में multiply कर दिया. So this gives us 792 plus 18f equal to 752 plus 20f. From this we get 792 minus 752 equal to 20f minus 18f. हम 752 को इस तरफ ले आए और 18f को इस तरफ ले आए. That is 752 को LHS की तरफ and 18f को RHS की तरफ. So from this we get 40 is equal to 2f, that is f is equal to 20. Now next problem says that in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packed boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Since the given data is not continuous, so we add 0.5 to the upper limit and subtract 0.45 from the lower limit. So here assumed mean A will be equal to 57 as we can see from the table. Class size h is equal to 3. So हमें इससे mean क्या मिलेगा? x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi, that is equal to 57 plus 75 divided by 400, that is 57 plus 0.1875, which is nothing but 57.19. Now the next problem says that to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and this is presented in the table. We have to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Now as we can see from the table, we can say that mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, because fi और xi की values बहुत कम है. So we apply the direct method. So this gives us x bar is equal to 2.96 divided by 30, that is 0.099 ppm, that is 0.09 parts per million. Now the next problem says that a class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. We have to find the mean number of days a student was absent. So as you can see from the table, fi और xi की values छोटी छोटी हैं, so we can apply the direct method. So mean will be equal to x bar is equal to sigma of fi xi divided by sigma of fi. Sigma of fi xi की value है 499 और sigma of fi की value है 40. So 499 by 40 equal to 12.48 days. So एक student पूरे term में on an average 12.48 days absent था. So friends, this is it for this session. We learned how to solve problems based on finding mean. I hope you had fun learning, and by now your concepts are a bit clearer. For any queries information, you may visit the link following the video. Thank you.